Forecast for tonight, partly to mostly clear. We'll have some high clouds out there from time to time, but still, so far it's been a great day and it'll start off being a great night. 78 for tomorrow, partly cloudy. Still going to keep those warm temperatures going, though, close to 80 degrees. Now, as far as what's going on right now, we're relatively cool. 65 Roswell, 67 in Carlsbad, 64 in Hobbs, 66 in Alamogordo. You can see those higher clouds streaming in, but so far they've kind of avoided southeastern New Mexico. They'll come on in later on tonight, so we will have to deal with a little more cloud cover pushing into the area for us in advance of our next storm system, which at this point looks like it's largely going to favor the northern part of the state here. So what we're going to get out of this, well, some gusty winds, which obviously no one's particularly excited about for us, and most of the precip going off to the north. It's actually going to come in a few different pieces. One piece comes in Friday into Saturday, and another one comes in Saturday into Sunday. Now, the Saturday into Sunday storm system has a little more promise. It's bigger, it's colder. But the problem for us will be the track on this thing. Right now, it looks like it's going to kind of scoot through the northwestern part of the state and then just kind of scoot out through the northeast and avoid us, putting those bands of gusty winds over us, but not much in the way of rain or snow. However, these things can change, and they can end up dropping farther south than we think, so it's at least worth us continuing to keep an eye on. Right now, the storm's over the Pacific Northwest. Timing on this thing is Friday through Sunday, so we're going to get the gusty winds, I think, on Friday, and we'll go over that in just one second. The possibility of a stray shower Saturday into Sunday. Much colder temps are what to expect. Valley rain to snow in the north and mountain snow into the north with gusty winds for us. But there's even a bust potential on this for the north at 45% because of the track's a little shaky. So we'll continue to narrow this down and see if we can get a little bit of precip here. But more than anything else, we are looking at some gusty winds out there. Take a check of what's happening here. Thursday, winds 15 to 25 miles an hour across the area here, most of Chaves County and Eddy and Lee counties as well. Then as we get into Friday, here comes the wind, no question. Sustained winds over Otero County and parts of Chaves County going to be in the 30 to 35 mile an hour range with some gusts possible up to 50 miles an hour. So this is definitely going to be a wind maker, at least for us. Now, the overall look here shows we're going to have enough moisture in place here that the key for us is all about the track of this storm. Right now, at best, the way it's looked for us is that it comes down into northern New Mexico, kind of curls on out, brings snow to the northern mountains, maybe a little bit of action to the Albuquerque area. However, there's a possibility this thing could miss us altogether and knock on out into the Midwest, and we don't get anything even in the north here. So it doesn't lead you to believe that we've got a lot of hope here to pick up a lot of rain and snow out of this deal like the last storm helped us out with in the Sacramentos. That doesn't look as likely here. Let's wait and see how it shakes out, though. Stranger things have happened, and when you get a storm this close, all it would be is another 150 miles dropping to the south that could get us into the precip act. So we'll watch it for you, and we'll keep you posted. 53 right now, Denver, 54 Kansas City, and 51 in New York City. Temperatures 70s and 80s across southeastern New Mexico for tomorrow. Another warm day with those partly cloudy skies out there. And then we'll continue to watch what's going on here into the weekend. But look what happens to our temperatures. They definitely get much, much cooler. We drop 20 degrees temperature-wise late in the weekend with the possibility of those gusty winds as well.